Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How to Log In. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to log into your Comenity Bank account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser in the default search engine. Then search Comenity Bank Login. Then go to Manage Your Account or d.comenity.net/communitycard. Then click to Sign In. Then on the right side of the page, enter your username, then enter your password. To confirm your password, you can view your password by clicking to Show. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to Sign In. Then you should be able to access your Comenity Bank account. To make login easier, you can click to Remember Me, but I do not recommend you doing it in a public computer. If you have forgot your username or password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Username or Password. And if you are new to Comenity Bank, you can register a new account by clicking to Register Now. This much for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please leave a like and comment. Do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you for watching.